लेकिन अगर आपने ऐसा नहीं सर ऐसा होता ही नहीं है, ये नहीं होता है, तो देन थिंग्स आर सो ट्राई टू अप्लाई दिस प्रिंसिपल. Remember the golden rule, there can be no sales without corresponding purchase. So if the assessing officer wants to disallow your purchase on any ground, ask to disallow the credit of the sales as well. No addition can be made on account of carry forward of unexplained cash. ये बहुत जनरली होता है. Confirmation, सारे confirmation लेते हो. This is generally what we have observed. How to present at that point of time? Okay sir, I'll bring all the confirmations for the loans which I have received during the year. So आपने मना भी नहीं किया और आपको जो लॉ चाहिए आपने लॉ भी रख दिया उनके सामने. नहीं तो मोस्ट ऑफ द ऑफिसर्स दे विल नॉट नो ऑल दिस थिंग. नहीं सब कंफर्मेशन चाहिए मुझे. भाई साहब सब कंफर्मेशन क्यों चाहिए?
Sir, relativity assessment after 3-4 years of the starting of the business, we can insist on current year transaction only.
Sorry?
Loan confirmation.
Yes.
3 साल जुड़ा लोन है.
हाँ है.
First putting assessment.
हाँ. So what?
So what?
So what? This is, see, he is making an assessment for which year? If at all he wants to make an addition, will he be able to make the addition in that particular year? No, नहीं देता हूँ मैं. You do whatever you want. What he will do? Will he be adding that particular loan in the year in which he is making the assessment? Let him do. Add कर देने दो. 1 सेकंड में उठ जाएगा. मेरा तो how can you add the loan which has been received 4 years back in this year? अगर आपको वो loan add करना है तो you have to reopen my earlier years. You cannot do it in this year. This is where your techniques would work.
But here generally income tax वगैरह asking के भी आप सब लोन confirm during the year वाले transaction का IT return, bank statement, everything will be.
समझो आपने नहीं दिया. समझो नहीं दिया.
But then we can.
What can he do?
Whatever square up.
The flip side is that if he reopens the assessment of the earlier year, that is if he is having that time.
Practically whether it is possible,
If
ये
he is
भूल
having
देने
that
वाली बात
time.
ठीक है. जब तक भूल देना ठीक है मैं सब खोल के रख दूंगा. Is it possible?
No, that is what he is saying. People are talking in that fashion.
People will give all sorts of pressure. See, the income tax department and you both have to create pressure on each other. Now who is having an upper hand? वो जीत जाएगा. तो आप बोल दो yes sir. मैं that is why I am telling how to say that. Confirmation लेके yes sir. मैं सारे confirmation लेके आता हूँ with the loans which I have received during the year. खत्म हो गया. This is yeah.
फैमिली के डिटेल्स मांगते हैं या वही एसएससी के 2-3 साल के पूरे बैंक मांगते हैं. ये भी आजकल काफी प्रोसीजर शुरू हो.
That is now we have to decide whether to give or not.
Not to give.
But so all of us know the answer. All of us know the answer. All of us know the answer. But ये टोन में जो आपने कहा, वही टोन में इनकम टैक्स ऑफिसर के सामने अगर हमने हमारी कहने की हिम्मत हो जाएगी, I think that is sufficient. This sort of seminars are only for that कि ये टोन आपके यहाँ पर आना चाहिए कि कल उठ के आप जाकर के इनकम टैक्स ऑफिसर को बोलो कि सर नहीं देता हूँ. स्टाइल अलग होगी.
तो उसकी जरूरत नहीं है.
Absolute नहीं. इसकी जरूरत नहीं ऐसे नहीं. Yes sir, I will give it to you for this year. जो भी डिटेल मांगे, yes sir, I will give it to you for this year. बात खत्म हो गया. Right? Okay. Now, okay. If possible, if you feel कि कोई things are against you, आप आगे जीत नहीं पाओगे तो हो सकता है उसका टैक्स जल्दी भर दो so that वो इंटरेस्ट वगैरह पे नहीं लगेगा. कुछ चीजें नहीं करना है. Never accept the notices on behalf of assessee. Never sign the blank order sheet, blank acknowledgements. बहुत बार ये होता है. You will just sign the blank acknowledgement. अभी आप sign कर दो फिर मैं देख लेता हूँ. We have seen, rather as all of us must have done it also. Why seen? अभी order पे sheet पे sign कर दो. We sign it. विश्वास पे. You don't know कभी क्या हो जाएगा. As far as possible, don't do it. Do not leave the books of accounts records with you until specific informed in order. ये बहुत बार आजकल तो बहुत चल रहा है. What they will tell you is, ठीक है एक काम करो books रख जाओ. I will look into it. Why I should keep my books? I am not keeping the books of accounts. You have to be firm at that point of time. And firm होने में बहुत easy है. Okay sir, आज तो लेके जाता हूँ because I have to talk to the assessee. Next time I will look into it. Next time books ही नहीं लेके जाना है हमको तो वापस. हाँ?
Tally data folder.
We cannot. We should not. We should not. Let him give him in writing. Why we should give? You tell us what has to be given. We'll give it to you. सारे print out. आप बोलो books में सारे books के print out आपको निकाल के दे देता हूँ. आप रखो. You keep it on record. I will not give my soft copy.
कॉमन प्रैक्टिस है कि वो सॉफ्ट कॉपी में मांगते पूरा अकाउंट
सर है ही नहीं मेरे पास सॉफ्ट कॉपी, है ही नहीं मेरे पास सॉफ्ट कॉपी। जरूरी है क्या आपके पास सॉफ्ट कॉपी होना? फिर you don't have the soft copy. See, this is where your presence of mind should work. I don't have a soft copy. जैसे हमारा ऑडिट खत्म होता है प्रिंट आउट निकाल के हम तो सब खत्म कर देते हैं, करप्ट हो गया हमारा काम। See, this is where our intelligence should work. No, क्या जवाब देना है? प्रेजेंस ऑफ माइंड, हम तो बहुत होशियार लोग हैं, क्या जवाब देना हमको बहुत अच्छी तरह आता है। और बहुत जो इंस्टेंट जवाब दोगे ना, that will really be helpful. मतलब जैसे उसने कहा प्रिंट आउट ले, ये सॉफ्ट कॉपी लेके आओ, पेन ड्राइव लेके आओ, सीडी लेके आओ, सर वो तो है ही, क्या बात करते हो, कैसे नहीं है? ऑडिट खत्म हो गया, प्रिंट आउट निकल गया, उसकी क्या जरूरत है? सारे के सारे एवरीथिंग इज हार्ड कॉपी, सब अवेलेबल है, आप जो बोलो मैं हार्ड कॉपी लेके आता हूँ। एंड यस, दिस मेक इट अ पॉइंट दैट ऑल द बुक्स ऑफ अकाउंट शुड बी प्रिंटेड। You make it a point at the time of audit itself. You make it a point because that will help us. I don't know at what date, but ये बहुत important. See, once you give the soft copy to those who know computers, you know you will know that it becomes so easy for tracing anything from that soft copy. Oh, whatever, it becomes very easy.
Can you make informed order on the spot?
Sorry?
Can you make informed order?
No. He has to first issue a summons for that. Then he can issue an informed order. Just like that, he cannot do that. He has to issue a summons, tell you that you come with the books of accounts, and then he can. Yeah.
What are the disadvantages of accepting notices on behalf of SEC? Just as a matter of judgment.
Why you should do that? You tell me why you should do that. My issue is why you should do that.
It takes generally when we go for hearing, we just hand it over.
Why?
We have authority, so we.
But why you should accept? Let him do it. You know that ये मेरा काम नहीं है. You have an authority to make the submissions. But whether to exercise that authority or not, it is up to you. I don't want to exercise that authority. Why you should take a blame? कल कुछ problem हो गया, that notice आप कुछ भूल गए, whatever. Why you should do it? I don't understand the reason of doing it. Are you getting an additional fees for that? No. Why you should do that? Let it go in their routine way. आप क्यों income tax officer की नौकरी करते हो?
सब blank order sheets पे generally we also don't like to sign, but वो ऐसा compromising position ऐसा वो create करते हैं कि करना ही पड़ता है। तो अभी उसमें उनको tactfully कैसे बोलेगा कि भाई अभी नहीं करेंगे ना, नहीं बोल सकते।
नहीं, yes, okay. The question here is that there are so many such situations where you are cornered. कि अब क्या करो? बहुत सिंपल सी बात है, सर असेसी को पूछना पड़ेगा, पार्टनर को पूछना पड़ेगा whether you have to do this or not, because generally policy of our firm is that we don't do that. So generally I will not go out of the policy of our firm. So this is what it is, and therefore it will not be possible. आपको जो भी लिखना है, I am sitting here for 1 hour, you write it, no problem. अगर आपके पास time है, I will come tomorrow in the morning. We'll discuss this and we'll write it. Very politely you can say no if you are cornered, because see, he will not be able to insist. He will not be able to insist नहीं करो और करो. Now how you are getting out of the situation is the art.
वो लोग वही बोल देगा, आपको भरोसा नहीं है क्या अभी?
नहीं सर, 100% भरोसा है सर, 100% भरोसा है, इसलिए तो बैठे हैं आप। और मैं तो कहता हूँ आपको बैकडेटेड में करके दूंगा, दिस इज ऑफ द रिकॉर्ड। And then again the ball is in his court. सर आपको भरोसा नहीं है क्या?
सर रिसीट ऑफ द ऑर्डर को हम बैक डेट में देते हैं।
सर मुझे पता नहीं। I think चेतन भाई is here. वो कभी से देख रहे हैं कि भाई अपन बेड़ा जल्दी खत्म करे तो मैं चालू कर दूं। So I just more or less we are done. थोड़े से एक चेतन भाई just 3-4 minutes more with your permission sir. नहीं सर, अभी वो चाय भी पीना बाकी है, आप तो जल्दी आ गए। एंड सर प्रॉब्लम इज यू नो दिस पीपल हैव नॉट इवन स्लेप्ट फॉर लास्ट 2 hours. तो चाय की जरूरत बहुत ज्यादा है। Because somebody gave a challenge, you know, इधर सब सो जाते हैं। मैंने कहा चैलेंज इधर कोई नहीं सोता, और मैं बरोबर वही ऑब्जर्व कर रहा था कि कोई सोया कि नहीं। Anybody had a nap?
Yes sir, but
नहीं, अगर कोई हाथ नहीं उठाएगा तो मेरे लिए प्राइज है। Okay. No statement of oath should be signed without the issuance of summons. Avoid submission of documents, signatures after the time limit of completion of a service, because that is of no use. Avoid unnecessary delay, especially when the AO is favorable. अगर आपको लगता है कि कोई ऑफिसर अपना फेवर का है, try to complete the assessment as fast as possible, because आजकल you don't know when the officers will be transferred or your case would be transferred. Both can happen. So therefore, जब आपको लगता है कि ये ठीक है, हवा अपनी फेवर में चल रही है, काम फटाफट निकल के काम करके निकल जाना चाहिए. These are some circulars which are in our favor. This is some judgment where the law which has been declared by Supreme Court or higher authorities is been bounding for all the lower authorities tribunal. ये तो this is for excise, not for income tax. And this 3 points are very important. This is not there in our presentation. This is, I think, our good friends Paras, Ketan, they helped me out in taking out some judgments which I requested them. So these are some copies where these things are in favoring to us, saying that the basic purpose is here is that the officers are bound by the instructions, case laws, etc. of the senior people. That is what it is. ये सारा उसी का है. This is very very important. Mahindra and Mahindra वाला जो है Bombay High Court जो बता रहे थे that it can be contempt of court. Even the previous judgment says with the section under what section? Section 2B of the Contempt of Court Act 1971. So if the officer is not following that, I would suggest ये सारा एक पेपर हमारे पास स्टैंडर्ड होना चाहिए और ये सारा पेपर हर ऑफिसर के पास हमको एक दे देना चाहिए. We are making an CPE for income tax officer, continuous professional education for the officers. ये सारे के सारों को बता दो, क्या ये भी लंच में बैठेंगे, अरे माहिती आहे का असं झालं तसं झालं हे असं काय. Most of these people don't know. Most of the people don't know कि yes, they could be prosecuted under this particular act, which is called as contempt of court. बहुत बड़ी बात है contempt of court. Again, there are a lot of strictures against income tax officers, CIT, fining them. बहुत सारा हो रहा है. तो ये सारे केस लॉज कलेक्ट करो and make it a very big booklet. एक booklet दे दो. Maybe President sir, you can have a special issue on things which are going against the income tax officers or एक judgment सारे अगर तैयार कर सके, that would be of great utility to the practitioners. Maybe one issue, half a part or something like that. You have done a lot of research. I got all your mails. Ketan has also done a lot of research on that, and you have a lot of material on that. You can, yes.
वो issue तो आएगा, लेकिन ये जो pages नहीं दिए उससे पहले separate करना है.
Okay, so that already is there on the.
We will upload this on the website of the channel.
It is already there. See, this is just now we are coming to the last part of it. ये just yesterday's circular. This is yesterday's circular which has come on. I would say many of us must have done bank audits. In bank audits, RBI is issuing a master circular, which is circular of all the circulars. This is something like that, something like a master circular. A lot of reference to earlier circulars are also being given in this circular. Like in para number 3, it very clearly says the non-specific questionnaire should not be there, and frivolous additions, high-pitch assessment without proper basis should not be made. Then in para number 5, they say we talk about that instruction number 7 of 2014, which is concerning about AIR and CAS, wherever the selection is there, that you should be concentrating only for that particular points. And there are other passing references for cleanliness, punctuality, appointment given to the public must be honored, withholding of refunds, stay of demand, grant of installments, remand report. So many such things are being there, right? Everything is there. Like even the threshold limits for ITAT में 4 lakh, High Court पे 10 lakh, Supreme Court पे 25 lakhs. This is all yesterday's circular. And in assessment, it is very important to know when to stop. I should also know when to stop. I think this is the proper time. I should stop. If there are any questions, I am sure there is no time to discuss. So thank you very much for giving a very, very good. Thank you very much.
before giving vote of thanks, there is one announcement that will be 15 minutes break for tea. Respected President, Vice President, Chairman of the Right Tax Committee, and members. Coming to pleasant task of vote of thanks, you will agree that Atul Bhai has taken us through various minute details while appearing before AO, how to face assessment, proceeding like notice, filing details. Further, he has given us the various strategy and examples and practical procedures. I am sure these things definitely save our time, reduce our addition and better practices. He enlightened us on how to study law and put into the practice. One may say that having the high-tech arms and instrument is not enough to win, but when to use rifles and when to use missiles, that is very much important. Atul Bhai, our chairman, after arranging heavy and delicious lunch, thought of the speaker and must have immediately thought of your name, that your name is the proper that everybody is awakened as nobody has taken the nap. I would also thank the members for their active participation and making this session active. I, on behalf of the Chamber of Tax Consultants, propose hearty vote of thanks and request all participants to carry out this right action. There will be 15 minutes.
Thank you.
Just